Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Civil Engineering. Please like, comment and share these videos and also subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start these videos. Today videos I am going to show you what is the BOQ. BOQ is the billing of quantity. BOQ is the acronym of the billing of quantity. By we can find out the amount of the different material. Question about this video. So remember, if you have any question about these videos, you must comment and I will reply your answer. And join my Telegram group for latest updates. Telegram group links I will share with you in the description box. Let's start these videos. And first one we have serial number, description and unit, quantity and the unit price and total. So let's start. Serial number, just I put it here. L number, just we put it here 1. And description, send columns, input cement. And unit is, now unit is number. I put it. And the quantity is 300 bags. Unit price is 400. Total amount is equal to D3 plus D3 into E3. Enter. Total amount, calculate. Serial number 2, just put it here 2. And description, and I put and sand. Unit is the CFT. Quantity, it is 1000. And unit price is 20. Our CFT unit price is 20. The total amount is equal to, select this column and into this one. Next, enter. Serial number 3, I put in description or aggregate. This is the CFT. Total amount is 2000. Unit price is, aggregate unit price is 18. Per unit aggregate unit price is 18 and the total amount is equal to select this one into select this one. Next, enter. Serial number 3. Next I put in serial number 4. Description is door. Unit is number. Quantity is 8 and the unit price is 4000. Total amount equal to select this one into select this one. Next, type enter. Next, serial number 5. Description is window. Unit is number. Quantity is 8. Unit price is 6500. The total amount is calculated. Next, the complete total amount is equal to now the total amount is select. Next, type sum. First bracket open. Next, select this column. Next, enter. This is my total amount. So I ready to my BOQ sheet. Thank you for watching these videos. Please like, comment and share.